This experience we have at RGA is really important. I feel like RGA offers something unique in a way where the environment they create is very approachable.
I think RGA's intern program really focuses on professional development and really helping the interns so that they can take a lot of skills from their internship and continue using them.
The people I'm working with, I would say overall are very creative, they're innovative, they want to try new things, try to make things better.
RGA does a great job integrating people from different departments together so that they can have a sort of a unique cohort, and that's how people get well-rounded.
I never would have expected for me to have as much freedom and ability to do as much as I can in my internship. And I was able to really work with my team and work with my manager in deciding, the outcome of the work that I'm doing here.
All of the community and cultural events are really fun. And I feel like I've never experienced that in an internship before, and I feel like that's really something unique to RGA.
Having a good community and feeling welcomed, feeling heard, makes you want to come back to RGA.
And I'm actually learning a lot. I'm meeting a lot of new people. I think the meetings I've been in have been productive. I've gotten a lot more opportunities than I thought I would as an intern.
Taking the RGA internship has been a life-changing experience for me and giving me hands-on experience that I know I could take anywhere.